Hi, my name is Muhammad Iqbal. Today I am going to introduce my project. The name of project is Automatic Vacuum Cleaner. I had used here 4 DC motor to move this robot, and the connection of this 4 motor is coming to this Arduino, and to sense around this robot for sensing I had used here one ultrasonic sensor, and to rotate this ultrasonic sensor I had used here a servo, and this with this help of servo this ultrasonic sensor will rotate to every direction, and it will move to that direction, and it will suck the and using this it will suck the waste materials, and to suck the waste material I had used here 12 volt DC motor, and it will be more powerful than 5 volt, and it will suck the old materials to inside this. And in market there are available 25,000 like that this like robots, but it is very cheaper, and the overall cost I have it is 800 rupees, and this is my robot.